Hello everyone, I am Layman with Milgard Windows and Doors, and welcome to Know Your Window. Our topic today is the V300 series of vinyl windows and doors. The V300 features first-rate products that offer glamour and performance. These windows and doors are designed for both new construction and replacement applications, and their aesthetic attributes are second to none in today's fenestration market. The V300 windows and doors are the epitome of modern design. They are available with black capstock on the interior and exterior. The finish is achieved with a black acrylic layer extruded together with the underlying vinyl profile, ensuring maximum bonding and superior durability. And that's not all when it comes to color options for the V300. In addition to black, the series offers 7 exterior colors: Adobe, Bronze, Classic Brown, Espresso, Silver, Tan, and White, and 3 interior colors: White, Adobe, and Tan. Now, some of these colors may vary depending on your location. For more specific details on the colors available in your region, we suggest you contact your authorized Milgard dealer or territory sales representative. These colors bring out the clean lines and angles of the V300's window frames. Each color suits a neutral look, whether in light or dark, and can blend in or accent the surrounding wall color. In fact, any one of these colors can enhance your home's style and improve its curb appeal. Speaking of the V300 series frames, they allow you maximum views thanks to their narrow profiles. Uniquely designed for the series, the low-profile hardware practically disappears from view. The stylish frames are available on all V300 products. An all-encompassing series, the V300 offers a horizontal slider, single hung, casement, awning, and picture window styles, as well as specialty shapes. Plus, the V300 series includes a 2, 3, and 4-panel sliding patio door, and the largest configuration topping out at 16 feet by 8 feet. A thoroughly modern sliding patio door, the V300 blends functionality and aesthetics. The newly designed squared-off handle adds another modern element to the door's appearance, and the hardware is available in Adobe, Tan, Black, and White. Again, some of these finishes may vary depending on your location. For more specific details on the colors available in your region, we suggest contacting your authorized Milgard dealer or territory sales representative. Altogether, the V300's door's sleek, contemporary look perfectly complements the windows in the series. If you're interested in grids for your windows, the V300 has plenty to offer. You can choose flat grids, sculptured grids, simulated divide lights, and check rails. And there's a wealth of grid patterns available, including colonial, valance, and perimeter. The V300 also has plenty of obscure glass options for aesthetic purposes or privacy. Choose from a number of obscure glass patterns such as rain, satin etch, narrow reed, and delta frost. In addition to their numerous aesthetic attributes, V300 series products have first-rate structural features, and it all starts with Milgard's unique vinyl formula, which is durable and low maintenance. The Smart Touch technology on the V300 series locks makes for easy operation, allowing homeowners to unlock and open or close and lock them in one smooth motion. This Smart Touch lock, which is exclusive to Milgard, is streamlined, strong, and secure. Now it's time to talk energy performance. Boasting a warm edge spacer system and optional enhancements like low E glass coatings and gas between the panes, the V300 can meet ENERGY STAR requirements in every region in which Milgard products are sold. When you consider this array of features and benefits, it's no wonder that the V300 series is one of our top-selling windows. The V300's aesthetics, energy efficiency, and overall performance make it a top choice for your next renovation or build. If you're interested in a V300 series window or door, please contact your local Milgard sales representative or authorized Milgard dealer. We certainly hope you found this video helpful and informative, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.